Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram search filter option not showing. So let's get started. So if you just open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application, just tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. And after tapping on that, now you can just simply tap on camera roll, or just simply tap on story which is on the bottom. And after tapping on the story, now you'll find all these filters. So over here, if you can't find the search option, now to fix that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. So what you can do is just simply head on over to your Instagram application and then tap on hold on your Instagram, then tap on the eye icon. And after tapping on that eye icon, just simply tap on story and cache, and then make sure that you have cleared your cache. So by clearing your cache, you will fix any issues or bugs in your Instagram. So just simply do this. This was the first step, and the second step is to just simply open up your settings application. And after opening up your settings application, now you just have to check if you have turned on your VPN. Now to check if you have turned on your VPN or not, what you have to do is just simply tap on network and internet, and over here you will find VPN option, or you can just simply tap on advanced and then access your VPN option. And after tapping on VPN, now you'll find all the VPNs that are in your device. Now if any VPN is turned on, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then turn it off. And after turning off your VPN, you might fix the problem. So this was the second step, and the third one is to just simply check if you have an update in your Play Store. So what you can do is just simply open your Play Store application and then check if you have an update on your Instagram. So just simply type in Instagram, and after searching for Instagram, now you can see if you have an update or not. So if you can find an update, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update it. And after updating your Instagram, this should fix the problem. So after updating your Instagram, now you can just simply go ahead and then try to access your Instagram account, and that should fix your filter search problem on Instagram. But if that still does not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply open up your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. From here, scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will find help option. Just tap on it and then tap on report a problem. After tapping on that, simply tap on report problem without shaking, and then tap on include and continue. And from here, what you have to do is just simply type in the problem that I'll do. So what you can do is just simply copy this message and then paste it in your report and then send it to Instagram. And after sending it, Instagram should fix your problem. This is how to fix Instagram filter search option not showing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.